Do you want to know how you can refer Remitly to a friend and receive rewards? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can refer Remitly to a friend and earn rewards. What you need to do is open Remitly. If you don't have Remitly, you can install it from the Play Store. You can sign up to your account or you have signed in. If you have signed in, this is the interface which you will see. Go ahead and tap on rewards and you can see invite now. So if you want to learn how the referrals work, you can read these. And you can also read how you can use your rewards and what you can do if you haven't received your rewards. So go ahead and click invite now. Now you can share your referral link through WhatsApp, email, messages. You can copy it or you can click on QR code, and if your friend will scan this QR code and download the Remitly app and sign up using your reference code, you will receive a reward. So you can share the link by clicking on copy or you can send it via the social media sites. So guys, this is how easy it is to refer a friend to Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.